In the darkness of primordial space, a vast cloud of gas and dust begins to collapse. Gravity funnels matter inward, igniting a young sun. Around it, a thin disk turns. Filaments braid, collide, heat, and glow, seeding the first planetesimals. From above, order emerges. 8 worlds sharing nearly one plane, their paths slightly tilted. The inner planets whip around. The outer giants drift. Our view glides outward, from Mercury all the way to Neptune. We cross the hot, rocky inner system, skin the asteroid belt, and pass the snow line where ices condense and gas giants gather material, nursing delicate mini-disks of moons. Structures bloom in the margins, the main belt, Jupiter's Trojan swarms, and far beyond, the faint Kuiper belt. Pluto and Charon wheel tightly together as a long-period comet bends inward, its tail awakening in sunlight. The sun breathes a steady wind and magnetic field, carving a Parker spiral through the heliosphere. Where that wind brushes Earth or Jupiter, the night erupts in aurora. This is the stage of the solar system our journey is about to begin. You're watching Galaxy Vision. Like and subscribe to explore more of the Milky Way. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Mercury sprints around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. In time-lapse, it loops rapidly while distant planets hardly shift. This quick year sets a relentless rhythm for dawns and dusks, revealing the fastest orbital motion of any planet, a tight, elliptical path carved beside the solar furnace. Almost no atmosphere means brutal temperature swings, scorched days, frigid nights, and a knife-edge boundary at the terminator. Rocks expand and contract under extremes, preserving ancient scars. With the innermost world complete, we move outward to Planet 2 Venus, where a crushing blanket of CO traps heat beyond Mercury's fiery days. Venus is the system's hottest world. A massive CO atmosphere, about 92 times Earth's surface pressure, locks in heat and smothers the ground in a golden haze. Sunlight diffuses, infrared cannot escape, and the planet bakes beneath an unforgiving greenhouse that outdoes even Mercury's proximity to the Sun. Venus rotates backward and painfully slowly. One Venus day is longer than its year. From space, the planet turns against the starfield, reversing the usual spin. This strange rotation reshapes day and night, while the cloud-wrapped globe hides a basaltic surface sculpted by volcanism and extreme pressure. Above, dense clouds of sulfuric acid roil and occasionally crackle with lightning. It's a corrosive, hostile sky where probes last only briefly. Leaving this shrouded furnace, we head for the blue world Earth, where liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and a protective magnetosphere reveal how a planet can sustain life. Earth's defining feature is liquid water. About 71% of its surface is ocean. Sunlight gleams across waves while white cloud swirls ride the winds. Currents move heat around the globe, moderating climate and nurturing continents that host forests, deserts, mountains, and the extraordinary biodiversity of our home. An oxygen-rich atmosphere and an ozone layer protect life. Seen edge-on from orbit, a thin blue line hugs the planet, fragile, essential, and unique. Ozone absorbs ultraviolet radiation. Oxygen fuels metabolism. Together, they create conditions for complex ecosystems, stabilizing temperatures and enabling photosynthesis to power Earth's living networks. With our oasis introduced, we cross the orbit to the red planet Mars, where a thin sky, cold deserts, and colossal canyons await. Iron oxide dust tints Mars a rusty red. Its CO atmosphere is thin, pressure low, climate cold and dry. Dust devils twist across ancient plains under a butterscotch sky. Evidence of past water valleys, deltas, minerals hints that Mars once flowed, raising enduring questions about habitability and ancient environments. Olympus Mons towers as the tallest volcano in the solar system, a vast, gently sloped shield. Eastward, Valles Marineris splits the crust, a canyon system thousands of kilometers long and kilometers deep. These titanic structures record Mars's volcanic pulses, tectonic stresses, and a geologic past far more active. Polar caps of water ice and seasonal CO gleam at the poles. Overhead, tiny Phobos and Deimos creep along quiet orbits. With Mars's story told, we turn to the giant of giants Jupiter, whose banded clouds, lightning-streaked storms, and legions of moons dominate the outer solar system. Jupiter, the largest planet, fills the frame with cream and ochre bands. Deep within its hydrogen-helium envelope, convection towers feed storms. Occasional flashes mark lightning. A small moon briefly transits, casting a pinpoint shadow on the clouds, hinting at the enormous scale of this fast-spinning gas giant. The Great Red Spot is a centuries-old anticyclone, churning beside high-speed jet streams that shear nearby clouds into filigree. Layered cloud tops cast soft shadows, revealing vertical relief. This colossal stormscape showcases energy and longevity unmatched on any other planet in our system's turbulent atmospheres. Leaving the monarch of storms, we glide towards Saturn, the ringed jewel where countless icy particles compose luminous, structured rings arcing above a pastel globe. Saturn's rings shimmer in backlight, billions of ice grains forming bright lanes and dark divisions like the Cassini division. The planet's soft yellow bands turn gently beneath. From above the rings, we see ripples and gaps sculpted by moons, a celestial choreography of gravity, resonance, and reflected sunlight. Saturn has the lowest average density, less than 1 gram per cubic centimeter, and a noticeably flattened shape from rapid rotation. The globe seems to float, light and poised, while the ring plane glides past. Subtle hues and layered clouds give the giant a calm, elegant presence amid space. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, wears a thick orange haze. Below lie lakes and seas of liquid methane with mirror-still surfaces and rugged shores. Few moons hold atmospheres this dense. From ring light and hydrocarbon coasts, we continue outward to Uranus, a serene cyan world with an axis turned on its side. An ice giant, Uranus shows a smooth cyan disk. Methane in its upper atmosphere absorbs red light, leaving a cool blue-green tint. Faint bands and hazes soften its face. Far from the sun, the planet appears quiet, its weather muted, yet still shaped by deep, unseen dynamics. Uranus is tipped about 98 degrees, essentially rolling along its orbit. Poles can point toward the sun, creating seasons that last decades. This extreme tilt likely traces to an ancient, violent impact, an event that reoriented the planet and imprinted a strange seasonal rhythm on its atmosphere. Narrow, faint rings and a retinue of small moons encircle Uranus, delicate against the dark. Their sparse brightness betrays a fragile, dusty system. With this pale, tilted world behind us, we venture to the frontier Neptune, where dim sunlight, deep blues, and the fastest winds in the solar system prevail. The farthest ice giant glows a rich blue beneath weak, distant sunlight. Wispy clouds race across the disk while the planet turns with measured grace. At this range, the sun is a small beacon. Yet Neptune's atmosphere remains energetic, driven by internal heat and dynamic, stratified winds. Dark oval storm scar. Neptune's atmosphere as jet streams tear past at extraordinary speeds, winds nearing 2,000 kilometers per hour. Surrounding cloud streaks blur into swift ribbons, conveying power and turbulence. These fleeting vortices form and fade, revealing a restless, cold world sculpted by rapid, shearing flows. Triton orbits retrograde, likely a captured Kuiper belt object. Its frigid surface sometimes vents faint plumes against the vacuum. With Neptune's realm surveyed, our grand tour of 8 planets draws to a close, ready for the finale, where we step back and view the solar system as one evolving whole. We've just viewed the solar system in full. The orderly architecture of orbits, the edge of the ecliptic plane, the icy Kuiper belt, the sun's heliospheric bubble, and the defining features of the planets that circle it. Then we pulled back to the Milky Way, where our sun is only a modest speck. The journey doesn't end here, beyond light dwarf planets, comets, and bold missions of discovery. If you enjoy AI-crafted storytelling from Galaxy Vision, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for traveling with us. See you on the next voyage through the cosmos.